Have you ever caught a younger woman smiling at you and wondered why? Most older men completely misunderstand the reason behind these subtle gestures. They assume it's mere politeness, an accident, or even dismiss it altogether. But what if I told you that these smiles often have deeper meanings, ones that most men fail to recognize? In today's video, we'll break down the psychology behind why younger women smile at older men, and how understanding this dynamic can help you embrace the stoic mindset of self-assurance, confidence, and quiet strength. So if you've ever been confused about these silent signals, keep watching, because once you see what's really happening, you'll never look at a smile the same way again. Psychology 1. The psychology of the smile. Imagine this. You're at a cafe, sipping your coffee, when a younger woman catches your eye and smiles. It's brief, just a few seconds, but enough to make you wonder, was that meant for me? Most men would brush it off or overanalyze it, leading to self-doubt. But here's what Stoicism teaches us. Instead of reacting emotionally, observe and interpret without attachment. A smile is not just a smile. It can be a sign of respect. Younger women often admire older men's wisdom, experience, and composure. A test of confidence. Women are naturally drawn to self-assured men. If they smile and you hesitate or look away, it signals insecurity. But if you hold eye contact with calmness, it conveys dominance and strength. An invitation. Sometimes, a smile is a subtle way of opening a door for interaction. Psychology 2. The attraction factor. Here's the truth most older men don't realize. Confidence, emotional control, and status are powerful attractors. Younger women may be drawn to older men because they exude calm authority rather than impulsive behavior. They possess life experience, making them more grounded. They often don't chase, which creates an aura of mystery. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This is what makes older men intriguing to younger women. They've mastered self-control, unlike younger men who often act impulsively. Psychology 3. How to respond like a stoic man. So, the next time a younger woman smiles at you, what should you do? Don't overthink it. Accept the gesture with quiet confidence. Hold composed eye contact. If she's interested, she will engage further. Remain indifferent to the outcome. A true stoic does not seek validation. Older men who understand the power of their presence naturally attract admiration. It's not about chasing youth or seeking approval. It's about embodying strength, wisdom, and an unshakable mindset. So next time a younger woman smiles at you, don't dismiss it. Recognize the quiet power you hold. Have you ever noticed a younger woman smiling at you, and for a brief moment you wondered, why? Most older men completely misinterpret this. They assume it's just politeness, a random act, or even a mistake. But here's what they don't realize. These smiles often have deeper meanings, signals of respect, admiration, and sometimes even attraction. But why? What is it about an older man that commands a younger woman's attention? Stay with me, because today we're uncovering the hidden reasons why younger women smile at older men. And more importantly, we'll explore how the stoic mindset can help you harness this power with quiet confidence. This is knowledge most men never learn, but once you do, you'll never see these smiles the same way again. Let's dive in. Psychology 1. The psychology of her smile. Picture this. You're at a cafe, minding your own business, reading a book or sipping your coffee. You glance up, and a younger woman locks eyes with you and smiles. It's quick, subtle, but there's something about it that lingers. Most men react in two extreme ways. They ignore it, assuming she wasn't smiling at them. They overanalyze it, wondering, was that interest? Am I imagining things? But here's what Stoicism teaches us. Rather than reacting emotionally, we must observe with clarity and self-awareness. A smile can mean many things, but here are the most common reasons a younger woman might smile at an older man. 1. A sign of respect. Many younger women admire confidence, self-mastery, and wisdom. In a world full of impulsive young men, an older man who carries himself with calm composure stands out. 2. A social test. Women naturally test men sometimes without even realizing it. A smile can be a subtle test of your confidence. Do you look away nervously? Do you hold eye contact calmly? Do you react emotionally or remain unfazed? A stoic man does not seek approval. He commands respect. 3. An invitation. Sometimes, a smile is an invitation to engage. Not always romantic, but an opening to a conversation, a moment, or even something deeper. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The key: understand the signal, but do not chase it. Young word bohemian are 80 for ACT to older men. Here's what most men don't realize. Younger women are not always drawn to youth. They are drawn to strength, certainty, and emotional control. 1. The calm authority factor. Older men often possess a calm, composed demeanor, something young men struggle with. They don't overreact. They don't seek approval. This is powerful. When a younger woman smiles at you, it's often because she feels that presence. 2. Mystery and emotional control. Young men often reveal too much too soon. Older men, they've mastered the art of saying less, but meaning more. Stoicism teaches us that self-restraint is attractive. A man who doesn't immediately react to a woman's beauty is a man in control. And what happens when a woman senses that? She becomes more intrigued. 3. The absence of neediness. Neediness repels. Indifference attracts. Most younger men chase, seek validation, and try too hard. But an older man who doesn't chase creates an aura of mystery. This is the paradox. The more you seek attention, the less you get. The less you seek it, the more it comes to you. How a stoic man should or respond. So, let's say a younger woman smiles at you. How should you respond as a stoic man? 1. Don't overthink it. The worst thing you can do is analyze the moment to death. A stoic man acknowledges the smile, but he does not assign unnecessary meaning to it. 2. Hold eye contact, but stay calm. Confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about presence. If she smiles, hold her gaze for a second, nod subtly, and then continue what you were doing. This projects confidence, composure, emotional control. 3. Let her do the work. A high-value man never chases validation. If she's truly interested, she will find a way to engage you again. She might move closer. She might initiate small talk. She might give another subtle signal. But here's the stoic truth. You do not control the external world, only your response to it. You don't need to force anything. Let things unfold naturally. OUGTs. Older men who understand the power of their presence don't chase attention. They command it. They don't seek validation. They exude confidence. So next time a younger woman smiles at you, don't dismiss it. Recognize what it means, but never chase it. Now tell me, have you ever noticed this happening? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more stoic wisdom. Because remember, true power isn't loud, it's silent. YETHSSSCRIPT works. Hooks the viewer instantly, creates curiosity, uses psychology plus stoic wisdom, adds value, gives real-life examples, makes it relatable, includes actionable takeaways, keeps them engaged, ends with a strong CTA, boosts engagement. This longer version ensures high watch time and retention. which YouTube rewards. Let me know if you want any tweaks or extra layers added.